Hey, you guys, we're here today at Linda Vista Skate Park with special guest Vinnie Banh.
Let's do this.
And he is one of the most incredible skateboarders I've ever seen
at
in my entire life.
His home park.
And we're at his local skate park.
His territory.
This is his park. If you go to Vinnie Bahn's Instagram, at Vinnie Banh, you should follow him, you will see this park.
Yeah, like almost every clip.
And do you guys realize
Y'all
what's
are done.
going down? We are done. This is your idea.
I know.
You don't have to be a part of any of it.
So this is Braille team versus Vinnie Banh. Game of skate at Vinnie Bahn's local park.
Try to cook better than me, like you can't.
I will
It's my
definitely
house.
go to your house and cook better than
100%
you.
me too.
100%.
Yes, me too.
Absolutely. I will
Absolutely.
Gordon Ramsay your
Yes,
house
I-
up, dog.
100%.
Anyways, so it's going to be Team Braille versus Vinnie Banh. You only have SKATE. You only have 5 letters. The Braille team has skateboard. We have 10 letters.
Well, that doesn't even make a difference.
It
It's
doesn't
just
make a difference
that's
at all.
That's just like a longer,
We get-
just like, you know what? Let's look at how much more
I know.
these guys suck compared to this guy. Like, all right, I'm gonna send it.
Let's go. This is a game about sending.
Yep.
I'm going to keep track of the score. I'm going to ref this. It's going to be tough judged, okay? No
Alright.
toes, no heels, nothing.
Wait, can we
Alright.
all try each trick?
No.
No.
Maybe the last one?
Last one, yeah. One elected official gets 2 tries. Everyone gets a try on the last trick, though. He ain't talking about him. All right, Rochambeau. Oh,
Oh,
no.
this is gonna be nice.
Oh, no. Well,
Shut your mouth.
Vinnie
Hey,
has
you
won the
lost
Rochambeau.
mine.
You
lost
Right?
to me.
We gotta switch
This guy lost to me.
Yo, we're playing against Vinnie Banh here.
I know,
We're
you
not
guys-
supposed to be fighting
you guys
amongst
gotta make it
ourselves.
so.
We're talking about paper, rock, scissors, not game of skate.
Paper, rock,
I've beat him.
scissors.
It's on record.
Tearing
It's on.
us apart.
Go back.
He's
go
in
back.
our head. He has real estate. He has real estate in everyone's head already.
In my brain,
You know
I have
what?
to
I'm
go
switching
somewhere.
teams. I'm going Team Gabe right now. I'm filming.
Aaron's in San Francisco right now, and I'm
What?
pretty sure he is arguing too with someone. Real quick, before we start this game, is there anything you'd like to say? Any condolences to the Braille team?
I mean,
Any words of comfort for the demolishment that's about to occur?
any trick that I try, I better see somebody at least try. That's all I gotta say. I don't
I
want
like
to
that.
see.
I like
I
that.
don't. I don't
like
want to
that.
see nobody saying,
Yep.
"Oh, I'm not gonna try it.
Yep.
We'll take
I
it
like
later."
that. I
no,
like
none
that.
of that. You gotta at least try.
Yep.
Let's
Go
go.
for
Let's do it.
It's full send around here,
Yes.
Full
brothers.
send.
That's all we're
in
gonna
San
do.
Diego.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter
We're
where you're
somewhere.
at. You
We're
should
somewhere.
be sending it.
And then real quick, before
Yeah.
we start, I heard the boy Vinny over here saying, I'm gonna put Mowgli through it. I'm gonna give it to him. Gonna break him in today.
Hey, just don't expect nothing from me. I'm just skating.
All right, your trick, my
That's
friend.
what I say too.
Call your tricks. Where are we going first?
Okay, we're gonna go easy first. We're gonna do bump to rail.
This is you.
We'll do front blunt fakie.
All right, Dan, predict your score right now. What do you think?
Okay.
K to game?
Yeah.
You know what? I'm gonna give him the benefit of the doubt.
They might get an S.
I think we can get him to A. I think Mowgli and Nigel got some tricks that can get him. Maybe. That was the most easy thing I've ever seen. Like, you will never see anything that easy. Yeah!
That was easy.
Nice.
That was too easy for him. Next trick. All right, let's see. Let's make him work again. Oh no, we'll do front 50 on this rail.
See, I've studied a lot of fantastic skaters. Vinny is one that I don't get to watch skate very often. So I really need to like hone in on you. I'm watching you. I'm trying to figure you out. What planet are you from? Yeah, Nigel.
I gotta get a trick for Uzi. Let's go over the hip, the bump to bump
If you
over
need
there.
a trick for Uzi, do a kickflip on flat.
Jeez.
You know what scares me the most is that Vinny seems to know everyone's weaknesses.
Most of those tricks were like part of my warm-up routine. So that's like what I do normally when I first get here. It's like tray flip, front blunt fakie, 50, you know. So I'm just doing my warm-ups right
What's
now.
Uzi doing?
You don't want to do
All
it?
right, go.
Nah, what?
Yeah.
What?
What in the... Just said, it's full send around here. He doesn't want to see anyone go, I don't want to do it. You at least got to try
Yeah,
it.
go try it.
There we go. That's better. Not in this video. You're gonna try it. All right, we'll do a trick into the bank. What should I do? I'll do nollie 180.
That's an unconventional one. Okay. Look at his control.
Nigel's up there.
Well done. Literally, just look at the way he floats on his board.
That was gnarly.
Vinny's got it, dude.
Ollie up.
From flat to that?
Yeah.
At this point, it's just Mowgli versus Vinnie.
I know, I feel like that'd actually be a pretty good game.
What's happening right now?
Yeah, Mowgli versus Vinnie. Game of skate, who would win? I know. Do you? Defense!
I'm not awake yet.
So the funny thing is that as we were in the car parking in the parking lot, he goes, I have way too much energy. It was that coffee I had.
I think it all wore off.
And now he crashed.
You know what? I want to do a pop shove it for Nigel.
Oh.
Too easy, too easy. All right, we're gonna do a kickflip now. Threw it away.
You can save it, Nigel. Oh! Count that. That's not a letter. Nigel clutched that. I love that.
Frontside ollie.
Mowgli.
Frontside ollie.
Nah, fam.
Oh! Whoa!
Yeah, I'm gonna count him.
Did you get my baby ollie in there? I got it first.
All right, so we're counting Mowgli's. That means we're still at A.
That was good.
The pop was proportional to your height.
Let's do Euro to manual and then pop in quick. Not taking it lengthy, just a quick one.
They're really going
They're
through it
really
right now. They are
debating right
really
now.
going. Uzi's in one of his days right now where he's just feeling very negative about himself, and we have to kind of pick him up, you know.
I gotta go faster. Hold up. I gotta go faster.
We need to get him off a skateboard today. He's gonna hurt himself.
He actually had that.
Yeah, he's the best. He does pop nollies best out of all of us.
so-
All right, that's a T for Braille.
Let's 50 the hubba.
All right, backside coming. You got back 50? Picking us apart.
One more. I'm gonna go suicide 50.
Will he pop over it? So what he's doing is committing a not feeling so good 50-50.
That's what that means? Straight on?
Somehow. I don't know how. You see me shifty it,
Dude, that was ridiculous.
and I still grinded both trucks.
Hugs, not
That was a wholesome moment. That was nice.
Let's do a trick off the air.
Yes! What are we doing?
I said yes, so what should I try? Yeah, I'll do tray flip.
I said you should do a tray flip. He goes, all right, I'll do a tray flip. And then Nigel goes, all right. Oh my God! You heard the. Yes! I knew it! I knew he was gonna land that. I knew you were gonna do that.
I got you, Vinny.
Quick grind into the bank.
Okay.
You guys who are watching the video, seriously, Vinny is. You're not gonna see many people as good as Vinnie Banh. So like otherworldly good. It's amazing.
Nah, I'm gonna do front people on the flat bar up.
I thought this moment wouldn't happen. I was just thinking, how am I gonna survive this? I was like, dude, I'm not.
Okay. All right, here, Nigel.
Yeah.
Mowgli said, I don't even know what I'm gonna do if I get my own turn. I'm just gonna go crazy. I'm not gonna be strategic at all. You need to control him.
Control yourself.
I'm ready.
I'm gonna let you go first.
Don't.
I'm gonna let
You go first.
I'm gonna let you pop the
You
cork,
go
dog.
do that front people in transition. I know you can do it. I believe in you. Right here, I believe in you.
I like that. That was nice.
You could do it.
Oh,
you
I put my pinky in there because there's a little luck of the gab needed for this game.
I know you can do it.
All right.
That's it. Nigel's been trying this for a little while. Let's go. What's going on over here, Dan?
I'm tired. My morale is way down.
Why is your morale down?
Watch out.
That's the hardest ever. Why does anybody come up with that trick?
Uzi.
What can I even do?
You got to be super strategic here. Don't lose the turn. That's
You're
the
lucky
point.
you got it coached, man, or you guys would have just blew it right
Yeah,
now.
you seriously, you cannot lose your turn right now. Anything that will not lose it. Like,
I'm offended by everyone.
in the
right now.
I send it.
what do you mean?
Wait, what are you doing? I didn't get a turn.
Back 270 lip on the bump bar. Front side flip. Let's get some hucking tricks more. Some more hucking tricks. We're gonna go over the hub into the bank. I'll just do all the action. Let me just do all.
Oh, you had it.
I'm gonna go off the stairs again. I'm just do a nice little, yeah, I'm gonna do hard flip.
We made the God bleed twice. Mowgli, your trick.
Almost rolled my ankle.
Nigel, you're up.
Oh my God.
Susie, your turn.
The only thing that's bad about the flat bar is like it's always sticky because barely anybody skates it.
Go warm up.
I tried to tell you.
You say like, hey Uzi, what trick are you gonna do? He's like, I'm gonna do the 5. It's like, okay, what are you gonna do? The 5's there.
Oh, you think you hot stuff because you can play double, huh? That's good. Guess what? I'm saying on nail too.
Yeah.
I ain't got them switch.
Ah!
So what's this? Last letter?
Last one.
Last litre. Okay. Switch back lip down the rail.
Jeez.
Down the rail.
You know what? I'm tag teaming in Bradley for this one.
That's
Oh
fine.
my God.
That's
no.
fine.
What the-
I'm down for that.
Back lip. What if I land 270 front lip first try? We continue the game.
Then, yeah, all right, bet. If you do it first try, we'll continue.
I'm gonna try and keep us in the game right now.
If you land it, we'll continue, and then it'll be your guys' turn.
Okay, I like this. A little bit of a bargain going on. Okay. So basically, if Nigel does a front 270 lip on the bump to bar, not only do we stay in the game, but that's our trick, and Vinny has to do it on defense. A lot riding on this one, Dan. Here it is, Nigel. This guy right here is a god amongst men, Vinnie Banh.
I'm another person.
A huge thanks to Vinnie Banh for letting us come to his local park and then absolutely handing it to us. If you want to check out his Instagram and his YouTube channel, the links will be right down there in the description below. There's some videos right there. Go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and let us know what videos you'd like to see in the future. Learn how to skateboard. We'll see you next time.